Preparation of benzene. By the decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. This method is used in the laboratory to obtain benzene. Sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, and when it gets decarboxylated, that is, removal of carbon dioxide, benzene is obtained. By heating phenol with zinc. When phenol vapors are passed over heated zinc dust, benzene is formed. By polymerization of ethine, acetylene. When ethine or acetylene is passed through a red-hot copper tube, it polymerizes to benzene. By the hydrolysis of sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid on hydrolysis with superheated steam gives benzene.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.